Get ready with me whilst I tell you some facts about myself. So my name is Macy and I'm a 22-year-old first-time mum to a baby girl called Nova. It is actually my 23rd birthday today on Easter Sunday, which makes me an Aries. So I'm quite headstrong, I can be impulsive, but I'm very honest. I'm very in touch with my spiritual side, so I love Reiki, crystals, sound healing, manifestation. Me and my boyfriend Brody have been together for 6.5 years now, and we met in our first year at college. When I was 12 years old, I actually shaved my hair off and donated it to the Little Princess Trust. I have had 5 different jobs since I was 17 and I'm now a stay-at-home mum. Last October I went through a really traumatic birth where I ended up having an emergency C-section with Nova. My birth story is further down my page for anybody that wants to have a watch. I have one full brother, one half brother, one step brother and one step sister, so I come from a very blended family, but I love it all the same. Me and my boyfriend Brody actually got on the property ladder at the age of 19, so this was a huge achievement for us. I'm trying to become a content creator on TikTok, so if you want to know more about my motherhood journey, you love watching hauls, you like watching transformations, home renovations, I post about my postpartum recovery, then please hit that follow button, it'll be greatly appreciated. So this was actually my birthday makeup and we ended up going to Miller & Carter for some steak, which was lovely. And I've linked all the products that I used off of TikTok shop down below.